Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and select it. And here we have the option called screen on duration, tap on it. And here we have the list of durations we can select from. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, 25 and 30 seconds. At the end, select the one you like, for example 5 seconds, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off after 5 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen of the watch, it will turn off after 5 seconds. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.